Open your web browser, navigate to www.spectrumfilament.com/refill and locate the section where you can download the STL file for the reusable spool. As the printer begins the 3D printing process, you'll see the spool gradually taking shape, layer by layer, to fully formed spool, ready for use. Remove printed spool and take a look for the sturdy designs and the precise details. Take your Spectrum ReFill filament and prepare it for the installation. Remember, there's an additional manual on the inner side of the box. Unpack your Spectrum ReFill filament. Ensure the notch fits into the pin on the spool. Lock the spool properly. Cut and remove security strips around the filament and stick the label. It's done! Wishing you a smooth 3D printing experience.